Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change VPN on your Android phone. So let's get started. Now, when it comes to changing the VPN or even setting it up, there's two different ways to do it. First way is if you go into your setting and click on connections, you should see an option for right down here for more connection settings and then VPN here. So if you have a VPN that you configure or a personal VPN, all you would do is click on the plus icon and you would add that information, or if you have existing one, you can change the information if you needed to update anything from username, password, or even the location as well. So that's going to be one way to change it. Now, another way is if you're using a VPN through an app, which is most likely the case, you might be using a VPN. For example, I'm using one here. There are a ton of them basically on your Play Store you can download, and they work very similarly. First of all, what you can do is you can configure it to change the location if that's what you're looking to change. So you can tap on it, you can see the different locations that are available, right? And then you can go ahead and select a location. For example, if I wanted to change it to this location, I'll hit OK and then give it access and start connecting and configuring this VPN and changing the location. So that's how you can change. And we can see that VPN change just like that. So that's how you can change VPN on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.